Welcome to GIS Insight. Today we'll be looking at how to save, export, and map package. So this is what we're looking at today. Basically, when we have what we are done, we're working on a project, and in case of light, in case of eventualities, you are required to save your work. So simply put, you just come to File and you click on Save. Then you give it a name of the project you're working on. First, you navigate to a folder you want to save this, and then you give it a name. So I can just say Kaduna, and that is safe. Now, if I want to save as, it means I want to save it and send it, maybe save it in a different folder, maybe save it because I want to do two things with the same file. Let's say you want to create different kind of map from the same one. So I can easily do save as and then change the name of the map to maybe Kaduna 1 or something else. Then I save. 3 is I want to save a copy. Assuming I want to send this map out and I don't know the version to which whoever I'm sending the map out to is using, the best thing is to do it to save a copy. Then you come to click on this save as type, scroll down, select the lowest version of the coin, which is version 10.0, because I don't think anyone is using version 9 often. So 10.0, and then you give it a name and you save. So these are the various 3 ways you can save and why you are saving them that way. Second is to export. So you right click on this and you go down to export, and then this you'll be exporting this to either PDF, JPEG, TIF, and any other format that is familiar to you. So once you come out, you just do like this, check all of this, and whichever is convenient with you, you just click on it and you save. So I always save at 600 resolution. That's my save settings, and I'm not going to go into why I'm saving like that. I'm just going to click on save. Now that will export it to a common man file that is no longer on the software kind of format, but to a common man, something that is accessible on different devices, phone, system, and any other thing. Now lastly, I want to save this such a way that I can send it with the database. Unlike the first one which we did, that's the save and save a copy, they're basically dependent on the database. Whereas this map package does not depend on the data package. That's the database package. So this is the most efficient. So all I need to do is to make sure that I am not having any missing file here. So I'm just going to go on the file, come down to share as, then map package. Now on this map package, we need to have, we already have where we do this. You can upload also to a Google online account, which I don't have. All right, so I'm just going to save it as a package, save package to file. That's all I'm going to do. Now if there is, now they said in case of, you can include this for maybe referencing your database instead of referencing the data. So this will carry everything. All right, so you don't need them anymore. Now under description, you just made, maybe just say KD. Just going to tags, I'm just going to say KD. Just describe them. What it means is that you describe whatever you want to do, and then you describe what's the description of this file and all of that. So once you're done, there's no additional file, so you click on analyze. Always click on analyze to be sure that no data is missing. Once you're sure of that, you hit on the share button. Now it's going to create a map package. Now this map package can be sent out, and you access everything that is in this file, whereas the first one will just make reference to. So we have to always have the database together. So thank you for tuning in today. This is Elijah Special, and I believe you've learned something. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend someone to this channel.